welcome to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time of coming across my YouTube video, kindly smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Whenever I'm about to slay like this, you will be part of this beauty haul. Guys, can you see the way we slay out this look? Guys, kindly be patient and watch the video till you finish and see how we achieve this beautiful natural tone, guys. My afro and natural look, guys. It's guys, what did you think? Oh my god. Hello guys. Hi guys, how you guys doing? We are on another makeup tutorial. Today I'm going to be using this Revolution mattifying fix. So let's give it a try. I bought it newly and it's big. It's 100 ml and it was really affordable. Guys, I've already hydrated my face. I've already hydrated, and I also draw my eyebrow off camera. And I'm using this Love from Wycombe. It's 2-in-1. It's a foundation and also is a concealer. So I intend using it as a concealer, guys. As you can see, it's really sharp. Let me see the shade. It's 03. It's very light. I'm still going, and I bought it while it's on sale, so I'm still going to profit it and buy more of it because it's really big. It's big, guys. It's long I've been hungry of such big concealer. Finally, I got one. So I'm going to buy more of it by the grace of God before it runs out of sales. So guys, as you can see, I did my eyebrow off camera, guys. So I'm going to be applying my foundation. I'm still using the HD foundation and the long lasting. The reason I'm adding the long lasting is that the HD is a little bit darker than my shade because it's winter. When in summer, I believe it will be okay. With the weather we are now, it will make my skin go lighter. So guys, take coffee with your bell. Oh, I've already hydrated and prime my face. Guys, the contact lens I'm wearing is from Irene Creative, all the way from Nigeria. So guys, as the foundation is sitting on my face, I'm going to be priming and apply my eyeshadow. This concealer and the foundation 2-in-1, guys, it is really a bomb. I don't know why, guys. I love trying products. It's just my kind of person. I love trying products to know how it is. I was just taking a walk in my city, and I intend to branch by in a Wycombe store to know what they have new, because I've been seeing their emails that they have a lot of new products. So I just decided to walk in and see what they really have. Guys, believe it, when I went in there, I found out that they were really having a lot of products. So guys, I'm going to be using this light tone here. I'm going to set with that light tone. By now you guys are used to this mini palette I bought it on AliExpress. My transition shade, I'm going for a lighter, but I'm going to use this light brown here. As I was saying, I was just taking a walk in the city. I said, let me see, because they'll be sending me email that they have a lot of new products. I went in there, so I found out that they were having, the lady I met there actually told me, because she's used to me, she said, it's long you came to this place. I say yes, because a lot of my products now I do buy in my country and online because of some certain color I want. She said, yeah, wow, but I should try this foundation and the concealer 2-in-1 at which I said okay. Guys, that was it. So I said okay, how much is it? She said it was 18 euros before, but now it's on sale. It's 7 euros. I said okay, just give me one, let me go and try it. That was how I bought that foundation, because there are products at times when I said let me just buy the way is on sales, I end up not using it because it's not going to work out the way I want it. So really I bought it, and it was my first time of giving it a try, and I really find out that it's super nice. So I'm going to be buying more. It's still on sales now, they just started, so I will be going there to buy more because it's really nice. It just gives me that shade I want to be topping it up with my LA Girl. Guys, I'm adding this shade here from Revolution palette to make it darker, because I just want that kind of smoking brown, a brown at the outer corner. I'm not going to cut it, please. I'm still using the same brush I use now. I'm just using my lighter, my long-lasting foundation, just to brighten it up. So guys, I'm going to be using this shade here. It's a gold shimmer. It's a shimmer gold, guys. As you can see the shade. At times this shimmer product, they are nice when you use your hands to actually apply it. It's so sharp. The gold is so sharp. So guys, I'm done with it. As you can see, it's really super nice. So I'm going to be aligning. So guys, I'm done with the highlighting. So I'm just going to be highlighting. So guys, I'm applying the contour shade now. It is, if you are a new beginner, guys, this product is not too advisable because you will not be able to control the blending because it's difficult to blend in. So if you are a new beginner, I don't advise. Actually, I'm not supposed to contour my front hair because the wig I'm wearing is going to cover up everything. But for the sake of those who might come across this video and is trying to use a different kind of wig, so I intend doing the contour for their sake. But here at the edges where you have hair. So guys, I'm going to be setting with my baking powder. I keep on repeating it, guys. If you are a new beginner, avoid baking. Set. I keep on using this process for the sake of new beginner, so that they will not get it twisted when I'm baking. So that is why on my previous video I always set these days, because of my new beginner, because every day we have a lot of people watching our video. So in case it's your first time, avoid baking. Set. So guys, I'm going to be blending my face with this HD. I'm going to be using this shade here, Ebony. As you can see, they all have their names, so I'm going to be using this Ebony here. Guys, this palette is a bae. You got to give it a try. I bought it all the way from Obodo, Nigeria. This palette, guys, is a bae. Just a little different from MAC. I believe if they can really upgrade on it, they will definitely beat MAC. Most especially for we that have a mixed skin. This makeup of a thing, we Nigerians, we are the one who really make their products to sell, because we use it more in our country compared to other African countries. We use it more. So that is why when they are trying to bring out a product, they always take it to Nigeria. They always take it there because they know what we want. So guys, I've applied my powder, so I'm going to be contouring with my Nip Fab contour. So I'm going to be using this shade here. So I'm going to be applying to my front. I'm using this angle brush because you can't use a white brush in the nose area. So you use angle brush for the nose area. I'm just taking small. Alright guys, so I'm going to be using my highlighting the top of my eyebrow. So I'm going to use this gold shade here. Alright guys, you can see that this palette is something else. So I'm going to be applying my bronzer. It's a shimmy bronze. Guys, I always love using mascara to bring out my natural lashes before applying the additional one. So guys, I'm going to be applying my blush. I'm still using from the same palette where I have my contour. Guys, I'm just blending it in. It's more or less a coral tone. So guys, I'm going to be blending out my under eyelid with a yellow shade, guys. So I'm going to be taking this deep brown here and fill it in. So you can see that it really makes my contact lens to come out vividly. White pen on my water lining. I'm going to use this. I'm going to be using that sharp yellow in my inner tear duct. So you can see how the look is, guys. Mattifying fix. Spray your face, guys, before applying your highlighter. It will just give you that glowing look, guys. So before that, I'm going to allow it to sink in a little bit and be aligning my lip, guys, so that it's not going to dry up properly. It just gives you that. So I'm going to be applying. Guys, please, if you are a new beginner, don't use the big brush on your nose part. I know I can control it. That is why you see me, I'm using it. So here I'm going to use my, guys, I'm just using a brown, light brown lip pen from Long Lasting. I think I bought this this Long Lasting, I think I bought it on if not AliExpress, it should be on Amazon. I'm going to be using this Kiko. Let me see if it's a matte. Actually, I don't know if it's a matte. Light peach. So guys, I'm trying to use this brown shade now to blend it in. As you can see the lip. Oh my god. Alright guys. As you can see, it seems we are having two shades of lipstick. The lower lip is lighter than the upper lip. So that is how I want it to look. Oh my goodness, guys, what did you think? Look at this glowing face. Look at this glowing face, guys. It's so amazing. Oh my gosh. So guys, as you can see, we're finally done with this look, guys. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Until we meet again, bye bye. And also thanks to my returning subscribers. If you are still there thinking, should I subscribe or not, be part of this beautiful. Do not miss us. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Until we meet again.